Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a can of compressed air. These will be essential for the internal cleaning process. Start by unplugging the Conga 2290 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely powered down. Next, locate the screws on the base of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the device. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. With the cover removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Now take a moment to inspect the interior for any dust or debris. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any loose particles. This step is crucial as it helps prevent overheating and ensures optimal performance. If you notice any stubborn dirt, use your soft cloth to gently wipe the surfaces. While you're cleaning, remember that if you reckon this is too hard, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service can save you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. After cleaning, check the internal components for any signs of wear or damage. If you find anything concerning, it's wise to seek professional help. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can make informed decisions about repairs. Once you're satisfied with the cleaning, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the cover back on, ensuring all clips are aligned properly. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Finally, plug the Conga 2290 back in and power it on. Observe its performance to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. By following these steps, you can maintain your Conga 2290 in top condition, ensuring it serves you well for years to come. Regular internal cleaning is key to prolonging the life of your device and enhancing its efficiency. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.